It's mad. It's mad.
Alright, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Sly the producer, and yep, I'm back. So today I just made a very simple beat, and I just want to break it down for you guys. A Burna Boy, Wizkid, Rema type Afro beat. You get very nice Afro fusion beats. You get so let's dive in. Please like the video so that I can reach to other subscribe to other people, to other fellow producers out there, and also subscribe to the channel for more updates. So first of all, I want to play the drums, how I layer my drums, you get. But I won't lie to you, my first inspiration was the guitar, not the drums. So I'll advise you, the first thing that inspire you, don't don't take it for granted, It can be chord, it can be drums, anything can just inspire you to just start. You get. So first of all, I have the kick. After the kick, I layer my snare, my rim shot, and I have my hats. So, but in this particular beat, I layer three different types of hats. But I also advise you, depending on the bounce you get, you can layer more than that. But just know what you want actually. And the second hat, and I have my Congo African percussions. Another Congo here, another Congo actually, and this is a vocal chop and AyoMaff piano shaker actually. Sorry, no, it's a Congo. It's a Congo. So, and this is you know, a loop to just give it that bounce you get. And I also layer it AyoMaff piano shaker. So Afrobeat is just is all about bounce actually. You get. Afrobeat is all about bounce. How you get your bounce, sometimes your bounce. And mind you, if you check here on my channel rack, I did some swinging here, like 14% swing. That's, I don't know whether it's much or it's not much, but like it fits into what I want to get. Now, listen to the percussions. Yeah, how they are swinging together. Are you hearing? See, let me not lie to you guys. You see, sound selection is the best and perfect thing while you are making your beats. Make sure you select the perfect sound. Like when I mean select the perfect sound while you are making your beat. I have like different type of roles. Yeah. So let me mute or mute. These are clap kind of effects. So these are all. So what I did here in the first verse is a verse. I just make it kind of punchy. I have this 808 Burna Boy. If you are like if you are making beat for Burna, you want that bass to be get. So it's give that punch, and this is the guitar that actually inspired me to make this beat. I did some twerkings here actually for the guitar just to get what I want for the start. It's just guitar and the 808 that start. So if you just hear it, the guitar and the 808, they were the one that started for the first verse. Sorry, I'm having sore throat. I did another twerking here actually. I added some chords. This is where my chords enter. Yeah, very soft lo-fi. Kind of, I wanted a lo-fi stuff, but I'm okay with what I just did here. I added another chord here. Yeah, I pan it to the left. Yeah, it's just kind of like filling it up. You get? And I did another thing here also. The guitar, distorted guitar. Mm. Dun, dun. So same guitar actually. So same thing, and also the row actually changed here. I changed the row because it's just be creative while making your beats. You get just simple and nice, very interesting. You get, and also I didn't tell you guys in the beginning. I added this kind of like water drop. Yeah, yeah. Just starting with the guitar, kind of give it some kind of ambience, and I added this vocal chop also, this vocal sample. So if you hear it together, let me play them together. Mm. The chorus is the same thing I did. I just added the vocal chop that I show you guys. Then the verse 2, I did something here. So I added my strings, and I changed the bass line to instead of using an 808, I use a sub bass, and is an inbuilt plugin from FL. The extend, I use the E flute, and I also layer it together with my Diablo. If all my piano gurus, Diablo is a very popular bass in FL Studio GMS. So I layer it together with the bass just to get the vibe I need. Yeah. So that's all I did in the second verse together with my E guitar. Alright, I added another sound here. Voice inside. Apart from that, everything I did is still the same thing. It's just the arrangement, guys. Just the arrangement that just differentiates them, but everything is still the same thing because they are all the same thing. I was just creative with my arrangements. So one thing I'll tell you is while making your beat, make sure you pay a good attention to your ears. That's number one. then sound selection, because that just like you want to cook your food, if you want it to taste better, you need to have some nice ingredients. You get, so sound selection really matters, because if you don't get the right and perfect sound that will suit to what you want to create, then you need to start again. So guys, in the absence of nothing, I think we are done right now, because I just wanted to make it very brief how I made this beat, and I will see you next week on my YouTube channel. Please like the video so that I can reach to other people, to other fellow producers out there, and also subscribe to the channel for more updates, and also comment. And if you want me to break down any kind beat, or any Afro beat, trap, if you want me to break down any type beat for you guys, or make any type beats, just comment below in the comment section, and I'm here for you guys. Thank you. Peace.